Keep a wet cloth handy to keep your grabbers grippy. Easily wipe dust away for maximum grip on your workpieces. Don't forget to wipe down the handle every once in a while. You can also use soap and water to clean both the handle and the diamond grip pad. Each grabber can be easily switched for left or right-handed use. A simple flip allows you to use the grabber how it's most comfortable for you. For a little extra safety on a crosscut sled, use the original grabber to pull your workpiece back toward the fence to keep constant downward pressure. The original grabber is great for keeping your hands safely away from the blade while adding consistent pressure when using cutting jigs on the table saw or a router table. Double your grip with double grabbers. Hand over hand is a great way to keep your hands safely away from the cutting tools. And you can mix and match grabbers. They don't have to be the same one in each application. If you're cutting thin strips or a cut is too narrow for a traditional push stick or block, use the 1/8" leg to ensure safe, repeatable results every time. The right-angled support foot offers solid assurance on boards or material with uneven top surfaces. Just let the foot fall to the table surface, lock it in place, and you're ready to go. Extend the life of the sacrificial heel on the GrabberPRO by flipping it over. Simply unscrew the heel, remove it, flip it over, and screw it back on. While all the grabbers are great for plenty of uses around the shop, here are some of the best uses for each grabber in the lineup. The entire grabber line is dedicated to keeping your hands safely away from cutting tools in your shop. Whichever grabber you're using on your projects, always make safety part of the plan. Milescraft, always the better idea.